Hi everyone, I'm Hanija from Madagascar and this is Wildwood Health. Today we are going to show you the science behind activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is made from carbon-rich materials like wood, coconut shells. When it's heated, it creates a super porous structures. You know those tiny holes? It gives a huge surface area, which is the key for its effectiveness. When you ingest activated charcoal, it works like a sponge. How? It absorbs the chemicals in your body or the toxins or gases. And if you want to use the poultice, it takes away the inflammation, which is responsible for your pain. But remember, activated charcoal isn't selective. It can bind to medications and nutrients. So, timing is key. Take it at least 2 hours before or after taking your medication or eating. And I would advise to consult a healthcare professional before you use it.
Activate charcoal poultice, you need 1/4 cup of psyllium husk powder, 1/4 cup of activated charcoal, 1 cup of water, and 1 gallon Ziploc bag. Put your psyllium husk in the bag, your charcoal, pour slowly the water. Next, turn the bag so that everything will be in one corner, and you can mix it with your finger until you have a thick paste. And then you can put it on the counter. With a rolling pin, you start rolling it until you have it all over the bag.
And it should look like this.
The poultice should be firm enough, like this. And then you apply it to the affected area and use a present seal to hold it there. And the most important part of treatment is prayer. Remember, charcoal poultice won't heal you, but it's God who is going to heal you. So you can say a simple word of prayer like, please God bless this charcoal poultice so that it can bring healing. Amen. It's so simple, but He is listening. You can leave it there for 8 hours overnight, and in the morning you need to remove it and throw it away, wash the area, and then if you want you can put a new one. By the way, you can store it, put it in a Ziploc bag and then put in your freezer, so whenever you need it you can take it and then you can apply it. And that's how we make charcoal poultice and how we use it. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.